we have 3 plus 7 and 4 divided by 2. Okay, some people do go to left without following order of operations. 3 plus 7 equals 10 and 4 divided by 2. Now 10 and 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Here is multiply. So 10 times 20 equals 10 times 2 equals 20. But this is wrong answer, because multiplication and division should be done before addition, right? Okay, so follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Okay, first of all, start with the parentheses, right? So 3 plus 7 and 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Yes, now multiply. Multiplication and division must be done before addition. So 3 plus 7 times 2 equals 14. Now 3 plus 14 equals 17.